What is up? Welcome back to the channel. Starting my FRS. Listen to this Subaru Hunko Junko. Just kidding. I love that car. I know you guys are like, Mitch, you should have sold your MR2. You should never have sold your MR2. The worst thing you ever did was buy or sell your Toyota Celica GTS Turbo. That was the cleanest build ever. It was the best build ever. We're gonna go buy it. No kidding. So I just sold my Toyota MR2 SPYDER 2ZZ Turbo. I just sold that about 2 weeks ago. And of course, what everyone does is we scroll on Marketplace, and I found my 2004 Toyota Celica GTS Turboed. I cannot wait. So it came back up for sale. He wanted more than I sold it for, but I was able to get him to do a good deal on it, and so I've decided to purchase it back. So we have the 2005 final edition TRD. Last Toyota Celica that absolutely is disgusting, needs wash right now. That was planned to be supercharged. I don't know if I'm going to supercharge this anymore. I want my turbo Celica GTS back, and it came up for sale. So I mean, what is the chances of that? I was going to get a GTR. I got the FRS as the daily driver, and my 2004 Toyota Celica GTS Tsunami Edition Turbo came back up for sale. I've also got my baby race car, which I've been daily driving. I've put about 1,000 miles on this in the last 2 months. We did a ton of parts to it. I do need to do a new brake rotor, so I'm gonna do brakes. We're gonna be doing that. I love this car to death. It was gonna get supercharged too, but my Celica came back up, and I want it back, and I spent too much work and too much effort on that thing to make it amazing, and the engine on it is worth too much, and the transmission's on it worth too much, and the turbo kit to just let it go by and someone else take it again. So I'm gonna buy it, and I don't know how long I'll keep it, but it's one of my favorite all-time builds. It's super fast, like really fast, and I want it back. So let's get in the FRS. I will get my wife, and she's gonna drive the FRS, and we're gonna meet the buyer. This is the same guy that I sold it to a year and 1 month to the day. So 13 months later, he put it back up for sale, and he's driven like 2,000 miles on it, or like maybe even 1,000 miles. I don't remember, like just very little miles. And so I said, send it, let's get it. 2004 Celica GTS, let's jump in the car, let's vlog, let's go pick up my old built Celica GTS Turbo. What? Let's go. All right, we got the FRS. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's all we got right here. Send it. So, you guys ready for this? This is crazy. Just side of the road. I'm like in the middle of downtown. Look. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. My turboed Celica GTS is alive. I did notice though that the clear, so I think what he did was he left the vehicle outside for literally since I sold it to him, and he didn't drive it at all, and then the clear lifted on all this. So this area needs repainted. That sucks. He didn't have that in the picture, so I'm gonna see if I can get it even a little bit better of a deal. I don't know what's up here. That seems fine. Here too, this mirror. So I think that side he probably parked it on the side of the street, and that's literally just where all the sun got on it. The front bumper looks great. So good. The turbo, oh my gosh, the intercooler, it's still there. So let's go meet the current owner and see what we can do. It does look like you got some tire shine, and then you got some tire shine up right here. It's still beautiful though. The seat still looks so good. Oh man. This bumper right here is broke right here, so that needs to be fixed. I can see if I can fix that right there. And then it does look like he got backed into right here. There's some spider crack right here too. That's new. Dang. Yeah, that's crazy. And then he put a Michael Jordan sticker. That's crazy. But this is the bad right here, so we'll have to see if we can get some money off. Yeah, here. Even up here too a little bit. It's the 3PO red. But all right, let's go find this guy. This is crazy. And it's crazy, this headlight looks like it has a little bit of clear coating. It does, I can feel it. And then this one, it does too. So what happens with this is when you just leave a car outside, don't drive it, don't move it, and it just goes through seasons. It's happened. Yeah, look at this. Even right here, the spacers that I put on it are dirty. So you gotta just take care of your stuff, you know? Look at my FRS. You know, I take care of my stuff. I wash my car. I clean my cars. I take care of my stuff, you know? So, wow, but from here it looks beautiful. So I'm gonna send him a message. Okay, I did it. I get my money. I bought my car back. This car is in tremendous condition. I'm super happy with it. The only couple things that have the issues is that the clear coat faded. He literally drove this car 1,400 miles in a year. He didn't drive it at all. He never drove it. I am gonna take this funny wheel steering cover off. It's driving me nuts. Let me put you guys down real quick. It's so good. I love it. It's so fast. There's some traffic up here, but this car is so fast. It's fourth gear. It just flies down the highway. Yeah, I love it. And the brakes are so good on this one. I love this car. I'm so glad I got it. I cannot believe I got my turbocharged Celica GTS back. This is like, what are the chances of that? And he put 1,400 miles on it in a year. He did nothing. That's crazy. He maybe did 100 miles a month. I love it. So I'm so happy. Everything works on the air conditioning works. Just needs a little bit of here and there, but my gosh. Oh, it sounds so good. Wow. Amazing. I am so happy. How fun. I got a good deal on it too. I got a really good deal on it. I'm super happy. How cool is this? Both cars. So, 2004 Toyota Celica GTS in 3PO red with a little bump kissed right here. That's new. TRD exhaust, Subaru BRZ STI wheels with new tires, tons of tire shine, so much tire shine. And I do have spacers on this. A full OEM Tsunami kit. The skirt looks so good right here. Then with a turbo from turbokits.com on this. I love it. Man, look how clean my interior was on this thing. There's a Michael Jordan sticker in carbon fiber. Don't know how that got on there, but it did. Look at that. And then he did a funny little thing. He must have broke this, or I must have not had that. He put a string on there for that. That's funny. That is funny. Needs clear coat fixed. It is on, believe it or not. It's super quiet with my TRD exhaust, but it is an absolute ripper. The front bumper looks so good too. There it is. Behold. Yep, I love it. So awesome. Wow. So now I have two Toyota Celicas, an NA1 2005 6-speed manual and a 2004 turboed one. I told you guys, I hope there's no wind. I told you guys I was going to do a supercharger build. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue to do it. I probably should, but I'm not sure. I cannot believe I got this car back. This is absolutely insane. And then we got the 2014 FRS, which I absolutely love too. It looks so good. I love it. I love it. Wow, I'm at a loss for words right now, which usually doesn't happen, but this is crazy. I've never bought such a cool car. I do know my Lotus EVORA was for sale, and I was trying to get that. Someone crashed it actually, and I was trying to fix that, but I didn't get the highest bid on it. But this is so crazy to get this car back. I love it. It's so fast. It's so fast. So I'm actually gonna take it back to the house real quick and then hose it down. It seems like they put a lot of like tire shine everywhere on it, so there's like oil everywhere. Like you put it all over the engine and all over the tires. But overall, I mean, immediately as soon as I drove the car, I got a bunch of thumbs up and oh yeah, like immediately as soon as I drove the car. So pretty awesome. I might sell my other Celica. It might be. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Would it be cool, guys, if I had a Toyota Celica GTS turboed and supercharged, having one of each and owning them both? I think that's a cool idea. Take them to the drags and run them. Oh, that'd be a good idea. Anyways, I love this. Let's go back to the house. This is just so crazy. I'm just mind boggled. I got my red Army back. That's awesome. Super happy. Okay, so 2014 FRS. Just bolt-ons, exhaust intake, 2005 GTS. I do have a front lip, Gretty one that I was gonna install literally like next video. I'll still probably do it, but I'm not actually sure. I might sell it with that car if I decide to sell it. My 2004 authentic Tsunami edition Toyota Celica GTS.
Wow, how beautiful with that turbocharger. Oh my gosh. And then of course the creme de la creme, my 2006 Lotus EXIGE naturally aspirated 2ZZ. So same motor turboed, same motor, and then a 2.0 over there. So I am still got all the 2ZZs. I've had so many. I love the STI wheels. They're so attractive. I think they're beautiful, actually. I really like them. Car needs washed, obviously, and then some of the clear coat. We're gonna get that fixed. And then this car was supposed to give you a Gretty lip and then a monkey wrench supercharger. So I need you guys to comment below, supercharge or not to supercharge, supercharge or sell. Or the real dilemma is gonna be, if I sell this car, which is a 2005 Celica GTS, if I sell that, I will take the proceeds, the money from it, and buy a supercharger for my EXIGE. Ooh, so then I'd have a turboed Celica GTS, a supercharged EXIGE. Of course, the FRS is our the daily driver, and then we got the big truck back here. But man, how crazy! What a crazy story! I bought my car back. I literally bought my car back. He drove 1,400 miles. I bought it for less than I paid for, or sold it for, so that's pretty cool. And then, of course, it's beautiful. It's a Tsunami edition. It's the most cleanest build ever. I love it so much. I actually like the wing even more than the TRD wing. I don't know about you guys. It is so good. I'm happy. I'm gonna drive that car around. And it absolutely rips. It's so quick. It's so much quicker than I remember. The third and fourth gear on the highway, whew, it's gone. So I'm gonna make some videos with it. I do think that the TRD exhaust needs to either be fixed because it still rattles a little bit. You remember from the old videos, or I'm gonna put like maybe swap the exhaust over from that Celica and put it on. I got so many options to do, so many activities, but I'm happy. I'm happy. I gotta wash all this stuff. Like, subscribe, swing by MitchDore.com. See you guys on the next video.